Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see about how to learn ICT concept in order. So, in my YouTube channel, I have uploaded many educational videos and how to learn the ICT concept in free. So, my YouTube channel, I have uploaded about 50 videos, 55 videos, which is related to ICT content. So, in this video, it will help you to learn ICT concept. So, if you are beginner to my YouTube channel, you don't know how to learn, where to learn, lot of beginner are doubting this how to learn the ICT concept. So finally I have complete every concept. So now after completing that, I will teach you about how I take my daily trade. I will review about my day, how was the trade, what I am doing. So in this video, I will teach you how to learn the ICT concept in order in my YouTube channel, in my playlist. And if you are beginner in this YouTube channel, so now we are going to see about how to learn the ICT concept in order in my YouTube channel. First, you need to learn about ICT Introduction for Beginner. It is the first playlist you need to learn. It contains two videos. If you are beginner, watch this video. After completing this video, you can go to the second playlist, which is the foundation content, which contains nine videos. First, you need to this watch this playlist, and second playlist is foundation content, which contain nine video. After completing the foundation content, you can go to the PDRA, which is the that topic, that playlist you must know about, which contain 14 videos. So first you need to complete this ICT introduction video, second foundation content, that PDRA, and fourth, which is known as ICT market structure. If you learn these three playlists, after that it will be easy for you how to draw the market structure. So first three playlists is some hard. If you are beginner, you have some hard to learn first three. After completing the first three and four, which is ICT market structure and which is entry module. So if you are beginner, you are watching this entry model, you don't understand how what is the entry model. If you watch in this order, you can easily understand how to understand the ICT concept. So in my YouTube channel, I have uploaded all content video and finally I completed the educational purpose video. And in next video onwards, I will explain about how how could I take my trade in live market, and I will explain about my live trade in with you. So thank you guys. If you are doubt, you can mention in the comment section.